Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example, messages, notes, the browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. So you have to pick the app which will allow you to open the keyboard. And then we have to enter the settings, which should be on this option bar. Now let's tap on the languages. This is the list of languages which we've got currently applied. So let's tap on Add Keyboard here. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically, as you can see, this list is so wide and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you like to set. And basically, all you have to do after finding is to tap on it. Of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let me do it. And again, depending on the language, sometimes you will be able to pick different keyboard types. As you can see right here, I've got 3 different options, but sometimes you will be able to pick even up to 5 or even 7 different modes or types. So I'd like to pick this one. So let me mark it and untick this option. And now we have to tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been added. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we will have 2 differences. Currently, only one is visible, which is the globe icon. It will simply allow us to change the language. So right now I'm tapping in English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. As you can see right here, we've got also the second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty anymore right now. We've got the name of the language you're currently using, so you can always check it. After getting back, after tapping on the globe icon, we can see that here we've got also the English. Alright, so basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So then let's go back to the settings and to the languages. We have to stay in this section, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you'd like to remove. Trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. Here we've got only English, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And as you can see, we cannot see the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one keyboard, one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your XIAOMI Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.